Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, welcome back to my online classes. Today, we will continue the same topic, that is time. As we already know the different units of time. Today, let us learn the conversion of few units of time. But before starting the conversion of time, we should know these terms. As we know that 1 day is equal to how many hours? That is 24 hours. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 month is equal to 30 days. 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 year is equal to 12 months in terms of month, and in terms of weeks 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. Okay, and short forms: 1s for 1 second, 1 min for 1 minute, 1 h for 1 hour. Students, to do the conversion of time, we should know all these basic relations. Okay. Now, first of all, we convert hour into minutes. Okay. Here you have given 6 hours 53 minutes. And now, firstly, we convert hours into minute and then add the given time. Now see, here you have given 6 hours 53 minutes. Students, as we know that 1 hour equal to how many minutes? That is 60 minutes. So, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. And here you have given 6 hours. So, firstly, we will convert these 6 hours is equal to 6 into 60 minutes. 6 into 1 minute means 6 into 60 minutes. So, on multiplication, 6 6 are 36, 360 minutes. Now, what you will do? Now, we will add the given time. Here you have given 53 minutes because this is already in minutes. So, these 53 minutes we will add. 3, 6 plus 5 is 11. So, there is 1 and 1 is carryover and 3 plus 1 is 4. So, what you will get? 413 minutes. So, 6 hours 53 minutes is equal to 413 minutes. Okay. Now, see another example. Here you have given 2 days. And you have to convert these 2 days into minutes. Now, firstly, we will convert days into hours and then hours into minutes. Now, see how to do this sum. Now, 1 day is equal to how many hours? That is 24 hours. Okay. Now, 2 days is equal to how many hours? 2 into 24 hours. But you will get, we will multiply 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So, we will get 48 hours. Okay. Now, but we have to convert these 2 days into minutes. And this is in hours. So, we will convert these hours into minute. So, also 1 hour equal to how many minutes? That is 60 minutes. Okay. So, 48 hours is equal to 48 into 60 minutes. Okay. Now, we will multiply 48 into 60. Okay. Now 0 8 is 0, 0 4 is 0 So 6 8s are 48, 8 and 4 is carry over. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 4 that is 28. Okay. So what you will get? 2880 minutes. So 2 days equal to 2880 minutes. 2880 minutes. Okay. Now see next question. Here you have to convert the 3 weeks into hours and 1 month is equal to hours. Now how to do this sum? See, firstly we will convert these weeks into days and then days into hours. Now see how to do this sum. 1 week is equal to how many days? That is 7 days. We know that now. 1 week is equal to 7 days and 3 weeks is equal to how many days? That is 3 into 7 days. What you will get? 21 days. Okay. But we have to convert these days into hours. So 1 day is equal to how many hours? How many hours? That is 24 hours. Now we have to convert these days into hours. Okay. So 21 days is equal to 21 multiplied by 24 hours. Okay. Now we will multiply. Okay. 21 and there is 24. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0. 1 is carry over. 4 plus 1 is. Okay. So what you will get? 504 hours. Okay. I am using here H for 1 hour. Okay. Now see, 3 weeks is equal to how many hours? That is 504 hours. This is your answer. Okay. Now see, next question. Here you have given 1 month and you have to convert 1 month into hours. Okay. Now see, how many days are there in a 1 month? That is 30 days. 1 month is equal to 30 days. Okay. Normally we use 30 days. Okay. So also 1 day is equal to how many hours? That is 24 hours. So 30 days will be equal to 30 into 24 hours. Okay. Now we will multiply 30 by 24. So 400, 4 3s are 12. 200, 2 3s are 6. What you will get? 720 hours. So our answer will be 720 hours. So 1 month is equal to how many hours? That is 720 hours. Okay. Now see, next question. Here you have to convert into days. You have given 4 months 2 weeks into days. You have to convert 4 months 2 weeks into days. Okay. Now see how to do this sum. Firstly, we will convert these 4 months into days. Then we will convert these weeks into days. And after that we will add. Okay. See how to do this sum. 1 month is equal to how many days? Just we have done above. 30 days. Okay. Now 4 month is equal to 4 into 30 days. Okay. Now on multiplication 3 4s are 12 and 1 0 is here. So what you will get? 120 days. Okay. Now see this 2 weeks. 1 week is equal to how many days? That is 7 days. Okay. Now 2 weeks is equal to 2 into 7 days. What you will get? 2 7s are 14 days. Okay. Now what you will do? See, this is 120 days and this is 14 days. 4 months is equal to 120 days and 2 weeks is equal to 14 days. Now we will add. These 2 days we will add. 120 days. This, okay, plus 14 days. 4, 2 plus 1 is 3 and this is 1. Okay. So, 4 months, 2 weeks is equal to how many days? That is 134 days. Okay. So, your answer will be 134 days. Okay. Now, see, convert into seconds. Here you have given 3 hours and you have to convert these 3 hours into seconds. See, how many seconds, how many minutes are there in a 1 hour? As we know that 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay. So, 3 hours is equal to what you will get? 3 into 60 minutes. Okay. What you will get? 180. 6 3s are 18 and 0 this is. Okay. But we have to convert these minutes into seconds. Okay. We have to convert 3 hours into seconds. So, as we know that 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Okay. So, 180 minutes is equal to 180 multiplied by 60 seconds. Now we will multiply 180 multiplied by 60. Okay. 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now 6 zeros are 0, 6 8s are 48, 6 1s are 6 plus 4 is 10, 0, 0, 8, 0, 1 seconds. Okay. So 3 hours is equal to 10800 seconds. Okay. You can do it directly also. 1 hour equal to how many seconds? That is 60 into 60. That is 360. 60 into 60, that is 3600. So we can multiply 3600 by 3 and you will get the answer. Okay. Now we will do some more sums in my next video. Thank you and have a great day.